Hi students, I am Miss Uti. In math class this time, we are going to solve the word problem of multiplication and division. Please prepare your math textbook and open page 50. On your textbook, there are many word problems with the process and bar model as the example. Now, I will teach you how to solve word problem with the process and bar model. I will take the question from page 55, number 9. And the question is, Ali, Bob, and Candy sold some tickets to raise funds for charity. Ali sold 125 tickets. Bob sold 14 times as many tickets as Ali. Candy sold half as many tickets as Bob. How many tickets did they sell all together? They means Ali, Bob, and Candy. We don't know how many tickets did Bob and Candy sell. The information here only Ali. So there are three models here. I already drawn it. This one, Ali's model. And then the number is 125 tickets. And then the second one is for Bob. In the question, it says that Bob sold 14 times. So there are 14 units. And make sure that one unit same like Ali's, like this. So how to find Bob's ticket? It means 14 times 125 equal to, you can find out by making long multiplication on your scrapbook. I got 1750. What about Cindy? Cindy sold half. Half means on 14 units, a half of 14 is 7. So it's same like 7 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, something like this. Yes. So it's a half. Okay, this is a Candy's model. Okay. So for Candy, a half means a half as many tickets as Bob. So Bob's ticket is 1750 divided by 2. You can also make a long division on your scrapbook, and I got the answer is 875. Then you already know that here Bob sold 1750, and in here Cindy sold 875 tickets. The question is how many tickets did they sell altogether? Means we just pass it off. From Ali, 125 tickets plus 1750 plus 875. You can make a long addition on your scrapbook, and the answer is 2750. So we can say they sold 1750. Question number 10. Sam runs around a rectangular track 4 times a week. The track 320 meters long and 240 meters wide. Each time he runs 6 rounds. How far does he run in a week? I make a model here of the rectangular track, and I label for the length is 320 meters. The width is 240 meters. So if one round means you have to find the perimeter of the rectangular track. So how to find the perimeter is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, or 2 length plus 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Whatever you take, you choose. This up to you. I choose for that plus of 320. The length plus breadth 240 plus length again 320 plus breadth again 240, and the answer is 1120 meter. You can make a long addition, and that's the answer. This is for one round. In here it says that Q run 6 round. So 1120 times 6. And you can make a long multiplication. The answer is 6,720. This is for one day. The question is in a week. In a week, he runs for 4 times. So 6,720. This is for one day. 4 times in a week means you have to times with 4. And you can make a long multiplication. The answer is 26,880 meter. Then you can say Sam runs for 26,880 meter in a week. Question number 11. Mr. Khan had 2,740 sacks of rice at first. Mr. Poor had 3,560 sacks of rice at first. Mr. Khan gave some sacks of rice to Mr. Poor. In the end, Mr. Poor had 4 times as many sacks of rice as Mr. Khan. The question are, how many sacks of rice did Mr. Khan have in the end? And how many sacks of rice did Mr. Poor have in the end? I draw the model here for the first model. Mr. K had 2,740 sacks. Mr. Poor had 2,560 sacks. Mr. Khan gives some sacks, and we don't know how many sacks. But in the end, Mr. Poor had 4 times. Okay, this is Mr. Poor. Mr. Poor had 4 times. Then as many as Mr. K. So something like this. Okay, so we have to plus it all first. How many sacks does Mr. K and Mr. Poor have? So you plus it 2,740 plus 3,560. You can make a long addition on your scrapbook. The answer is 6,300 sacks. So in here we also can write down the total of the sacks is 6,300. There are 5 units over here, so to find each unit you have to divide it by 5. Why 5? Because there are 5 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can make a long division. 6,300 divided by 5. The answer is 1 1260. So this is for each number. So you can answer question A because question A only one unit. So this is 1 unit. A, then the answer is Mr. Khan had 1260 sacks of rice, and B, because of there are 4 units, so we times it for 1260 times 4. The answer is 5040. Then we can answer question B. The answer is Mr. Pur had 5040 sacks of rice in the end.